For more than 50 years, PSC has helped visual storytellers see the world differently. From photography, image making, lighting, composition and creative practice, we've built a legacy grounded in the power of the image. PSC Screen Media expands this foundation into film, digital content, AI-assisted production, immersive media, documentary, sound editing, studio video, installation and commercial screen practice. The media landscape is changing fast. Stories now move across screens, platforms, formats, audiences and technologies. Today's creators need to be adaptable, thoughtful, imaginative, ready to work with new tools. In this course, students learn by making. They shoot, edit, write, record sound, build worlds, explore VR and spatial video, develop documentaries, studio content, experimental projects and professional portfolios. They also become AI ready. That means learning how to use emerging tools with judgment, to generate ideas, experiment with images and video, refine prompts, question outputs, and stay in control of the creative decision-making process. Students explore authorship, authenticity, bias, privacy, ethics, and impact, so they can work confidently in a future where AI is part of the creative process. At the centre of the course is storytelling, how to shape an idea, move an audience, build atmosphere, and create work with purpose. Across the creative industries, there is growing demand for people who can think visually, tell compelling stories, collaborate, adapt, pitch ideas, and produce work across multiple media forms. Students move from foundations to professional presentation, developing practical skills, critical thinking, and a portfolio of work across contemporary screen practice. They leave with experience making, shaping, presenting ideas across the platforms and technologies that define today's creative industries. For students ready to create in a changing media landscape, PSC Creative College Screen Media is the next step.